Hello, welcome to my table. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quicker and more nutritious version of one of my favorite foods, risotto. I'm making this in my pressure cooker and using a short grain brown rice. I'm making this with delicata squash and a super greens combo, but you can add whatever you want to make it your own. The ingredients you'll need are the short grain brown rice, some dry white wine, vegetable broth or stock, and olive oil, as well as some diced onion and minced garlic, butter, Parmesan cheese, and the seasonings I'm using are sea salt, mushroom flavoring, and black pepper, along with some fresh thyme and sage. Okay, let's get to cooking. Set your pressure cooker to the saute function here. Press start. Add in your olive oil and let that heat up for about a minute or two before you add in your diced onion. And then your minced garlic. Let that saute for about a minute to 2 minutes until it gets translucent and slightly browned, like so. Now add in your brown rice to the pot and also saute that for about a minute until it gets slightly brown, but be careful not to burn it. Add in the white wine at this point and cook until it's mostly evaporated. And then go ahead and add in your vegetable stock to the pot. Drop in your thyme sprigs and then season with your salt and whatever seasonings you'd like. I'm using, like I said, mushroom seasoning from Trader Joe's and a truffle powder from Trader Joe's, and some fresh ground black pepper, of course. Turn off the saute function and put the lid on the pot, lock it, and make sure the pressure valve is closed before adjusting to the high pressure function. Add 15 minutes to the timer and then press start. While rice is cooking, dice your delicata squash, drizzle with olive oil, and roast until golden brown. While your squash is roasting, chop up your greens and then set a small saute pan over a medium-high flame. Add about a ½ inch of avocado oil or a vegetable oil to the pan and heat for about 30 seconds. Add in your sage leaves and cook for about 5 to 10 seconds until slightly golden brown but still green. Be careful not to burn them. When finished, drain on a paper towel and then crumble them into small pieces. When the rice is done cooking, do a quick pressure release on the valve and then remove the lid. The rice is going to still have a little bit of liquid left in it and look a little soupy. That's okay. Go ahead and remove the thyme stems from the pot. And then set the pressure cooker back to the saute function. At this point, mix in your greens or other uncooked items and saute for a few moments. Taste and add more seasoning if you like. Then add in your butter and stir it up until melted. Now add in your squash or other cooked ingredients to the pot. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and the rice is a creamy texture like this. Spoon your risotto into a bowl of your choice and top with your Parmesan cheese and the fried and crumbled sage that we made earlier. Looks great. Now let's see how it tastes. My favorite part. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's really good, but it needs something. Yes. A squeeze of lemon. Yes. Much better. Now I'm happy. I can do my happy dance. Yummo. Okay, I'm going to go eat in peace now. Bye. Thanks for watching and join me next time. Subscribe for new videos about what I'm cooking and eating at my table.